All right, let's talk about a tool that might just change the game for language education. It's called Learning Studio AI. So, what exactly is this thing? Well, think of it as an AI co-pilot for teachers and learners. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. So, let me just ask you this. Are you a teacher prepping for your next class? Or maybe a student trying to wrap your head around a really tough topic? Or, hey, maybe you're a translator who needs to learn some new terminology like yesterday. Ever wish you could just snap your fingers and have custom learning materials ready to go? Well, that's pretty much where Learning Studio AI steps in. It's basically an AI-powered engine for creating courses. You just give it a simple prompt, something like beginner Spanish verb conjugations, and bam, it generates entire lessons, objectives, content, and even quizzes. All of it just done automatically. Okay, so that sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work in practice? First up, let's look at it from a language teacher's point of view. For you, this tool is basically like a new, super efficient assistant. The most powerful thing here is just the raw speed. I mean, imagine brainstorming a whole course outline in just a few moments instead of a few hours. Need a quick quiz on German prepositions right now? It's done. Looking for some fresh, structured ideas for your next module? You can get them almost instantly. Now let's flip things around and look at this from the other side of the classroom, from the student's perspective. For language learners, this tool can become your own personal on-demand tutor. And this is really all about taking control of your own learning. If you're struggling with one particular grammar point, you can generate your own set of exercises just to practice that. You can build custom reading and writing tasks that are perfectly tailored to your level. It lets you take charge of your study sessions and learn at your own pace. But its application goes way beyond the traditional classroom. For professional translators and interpreters, Learning Studio AI can be a really powerful tool for your own professional development. Just imagine this. You're starting a project in a new, super specialized field, like medical or legal translation. You could use this to quickly build training modules that are packed with all that key terminology, helping you get up to speed fast. It's a fantastic way to create highly specific, professional-grade practice materials for yourself. But, as with any powerful AI tool, it's not magic. It's absolutely essential to be aware of the reality and its limitations before you jump in. So there are a few really crucial things to keep in mind here. First, any AI-generated content is a starting point, not the finished product. It always needs a human to review and fact-check it. Second, data privacy is a potential issue. Since its GDPR compliance is a bit unclear, it's probably best to avoid using any sensitive student data. And finally, the user interface is mainly in English, which could be a hurdle for some people. Which really just leaves us with this final thought. Knowing its incredible potential, but also its current limitations, could a tool like this actually become your co-pilot for creating the next great language course? The technology is here, and it's definitely something to watch.